Hey, it's Rick Claus for another episode of Microsoft Ignite Unplugged live here at Microsoft Ignite. We're just done the keynote and I managed to track down a new friend of mine. Ola is here to be able to talk a little bit about what he thought, but first, do a little bit of introduction, your background, who you are, where you're from.
Hi Rick and hi everyone, I'm Olanrewaju Oyinbooke. I love simplifying business processes leveraging Microsoft technologies, and I also create content too.
So that's a little bit of a forecast. I'm going to guess based on what you're going to say to this next question, which is, hey, you just went through the keynote, a whole bunch of announcements and a whole bunch of new news. What's something that's really excited you about the announcements at Microsoft Ignite?
Copilot agent, Copilot agent, Copilot agent.
You want more of the Copilot
More.
agents? Okay, so tell me a little bit about what you think about the Copilot agents and why is it going to be so cool?
For several number of years, I've built processes within organizations leveraging Power Virtual Agent and also Power Automate. And this makes it simple and easy to connect legacy systems to each other and even modern systems. But with Copilot Agent, you are able to autonomously take actions. And that is a new dimension of digital business transformation.
So the way that people explained it to me originally was that you can kind of think of this as an end user. This is kind of like Outlook rules for everything at this point in time. And as you said, it just scales up the automation and makes the connections all work. Now, you mentioned that you build business processes and do stuff with customers right now. How is this going to change what you're going to do with those customers?
To be very honest, one good way is we're going to enhance already existing solution. So Copilot Agent with its autonomous agentic capability allows existing processes to be enhanced. So for example, anything you could not do before you are doing manually, you can then engage agent because it's going to do that on your behalf and make it faster, much more value.
Right. And are you going to go back and try building on top of existing first and then go off and do some new ones?
Yes, because there are interesting use cases now to leverage agentic capability on existing processes. And then there are much more use cases now to also build new ones.
Now the keynote's done, we switch over into more breakouts and labs and stuff like that. Any recommendations for what you're going to go off and take a look at next?
I'm heading straight after this to the building and intelligent power apps, which definitely is going to have Copilot Agent driving that experience too.
Got it. Okay, so if other people want to go off and watch these breakouts are available on demand at the end of the event or just shortly after the event, so they can catch that as well, just like you're going to catch it live. And I will just simply say, hey, thank you very much for joining us. Don't want to get in your way for seeing your sessions. Come back and join us for another episode of Microsoft Ignite Unplugged live later this week, and we'll see you then.